Most welcome to Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how you will download and how you will install and how you will use this application for permanently. This is none other DoYourData Uninstaller Pro 4.6. So it's the last updated 2019. Here this application will be in a zip file below the description box where I have given a download link. So just you have to click there. Directly you will be able to access to download these applications, and after downloading you have to extract this with the help of the WinR applications. Then similar procedure you have to follow that I follow at the moment to install this applications in my PC. So just I will go for run as an administrator, then I will go for yes. See, while you installing these applications, this is a very important that you have to yes offlines. I mean, of course your device shouldn't be connected with internet. Now you have to go for next, then accept, then go for confirm. Then here yes you have to select create a desktop icon, but create a quick launch icon that you have to deselect here. Then go for install. It's a functional yes in both bit, that is 32 or 64 bit, that doesn't matter. Now here before launch DoYourData Uninstaller, you have to deselect this one and go for finish. Now what you have to do here, just you have to go for see in a key. In key what you have to do here, just here I would like to show you. Just to see this one is a very important to follow this procedure. Copy the configuration date and yes where this file in install folder, means how I will go for, just I will this one copy. So now I have to go in a yes open file locations, and here yes you have to go for paste. So now I will go for continue here. Alright, now see guys, just go for open these applications. Now I would like to show you it's a functional or not. Now it's a totally functional. See yes here this is your window applications. For example here Dell supporter, that's one I would like to uninstall here. So just I will go for uninstall now. Alright, now it's uninstalling. Yes, this is DoYourData Uninstaller Pro, yes, for lifetime use. Similar procedure just you have to follow and you will be able to use this application for permanently. So now see it's saying that deep clean ya cancel, so I will go for deep clean. Now this one I will select and go for delete. Now just here what you have to do, don't select anyone, just go for cut. Now here this is your support center, guided and pro installer, check for update, and so don't go for check for update, just use these applications. It doesn't matter now you are uninstalling any application with the help of DoYourData Uninstaller Pro, yes, while your operating system is connected with internet or not. So go ahead and enjoy these applications. And how did you like this video tutorial? And if this video has been benefited to you in any way, in installing, in a downloading, or in a using of this software, just I need to have your the feedback. So don't forget to leave the comment below the comment box, and also don't forget to subscribe. Why I am telling you that? Because this is a thing that will inspire me and motivate me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.